What's a good job? I'll send this link out. Then we're going to go ahead and get started. Give me 1 second. Test. What's going on, y'all? Those of us the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of stuff ended up going as projected. Yeah, everything ended up taking off. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? So just join the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. We have not entered anything yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Go to free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Writing some trade ideas up right now. You already know the drill. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. What's going on, Lady Crypto? I see you in here. What's going on, J-Rod? Actually, it looks like Heaven Bound. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens today. We do got a USD bank holiday, but they're kind of moving right now, so we'll see what happens. Price and trade ideas up right now, though. Those that watch the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of charts are going as projected right now. One of the members know GM just at the top of the zone. Is what to do the same thing. So we're going to be waiting for one of two things: either GM to break this support level, break this resistance tree as support, or we're going to look for buys going to 615, or price retraces. We can look for possible buys at 515 again. GA's into the flying as well. If y'all didn't watch the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of the stuff's going as projected. I dropped this at 10:30 last night. And if we look at 10 o'clock last night, which was around right here, literally, if y'all would have watched that, y'all could have went for a lot of these setups. Because these setups didn't go into play until like a couple hours after I dropped that video. Right now, we're looking at JPY buys, GN buys, AUD buys, GBPAUD buys, Euro AUD buys. Right now, we're just waiting for our next possible entry. These guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop in the chat. What's going on, John? I see you in here. What's going on, Swaggy? Yeah, a lot of these things took off. Same thing, this took off around midnight. A lot of these things took off around midnight. What's going on, Roy? I see you in here. Got about 4 minutes to the next 15. The next 5 minute pops up. Let's see how this closes. We're going to be looking for possible buys here. Also, got a couple other setups. I was just joining the stream. We have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. We have not entered this yet. All right, do 50 more. That's still the same 5 minute. All right, so we see price retracing on some of these charts. We're still waiting to see how price is going to react here. This resistance level 2060. Again, if you haven't watched this week's chart analysis, I dropped it last night. Make sure to check that out. Make sure that first in the description, join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. You hit that first link, you're going to see the Sunday chart analysis. You're going to see how we did it last week. Last week we went 4.0, got 5,650 pips. As far as last month, if y'all scroll to, I believe it's literally like December 31st. You'll see how we ended last month. We ended December 22-1, only took one loss December, giving us a 96% win rate. We caught 24,481 pips, 24,089 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. Every trade post has the entry, the date, the time the trade was entered, SLs, TPs, time per view to enter the trade, reactions, of course, those TPs getting hit. Do the recap of the day at the end of every day. Do the recap of the week at the end of every week. We'll see screenshots, positions, student results, testimonials, screenshots, signals, all that good stuff. Over 1,000 photos or just receipts. You can go ahead and check that out yourselves. We'll go over how we did last quarter in a little bit as well. But as you can see, we're waiting for the next 15 and 5 minutes to see if we can look for some possible entries. We see price broke these new levels, so now we're going to see if they can go from resistance to support or support from resistance, depending on the chart, of course. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Appreciate that, Roy. Yes, I do. I do read the comments, Luke. These live streams are for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Under 15 just popped up. Let's see if EJ can continue to hold this level. They're still trying to retest. So we're still patiently waiting. They did just do a quick move the past couple hours. So we're still patiently waiting, y'all. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to get rid of this alert. I'm going to look back and forth at gold and the indices, but it's an American holiday. So I wouldn't be shocked if they don't do too much. Ian when that's projected as well, though. We're going to see if we can hold this level right here. Yeah, we can see all these charts doing the same thing right now as far as retracements go. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Got a new 5-minute about to just popped up right now. Again, we're just waiting to see if price can. On the other charts, we're waiting for them to break those levels. On this one, we're waiting to see if it can hold the current levels on as a support. And no rush to take any trades, just chilling, patiently waiting. While I zoom in, you can take a better look at what I'm talking about. We're still holding a support. Just make sure it's not going to reject it before we take the setup. We're also waiting. I got alerts on these other charts. Again, waiting for resistance levels to get broken at support. Want to enter buys off support. You want to enter sells off resistance. Ooh, Ian's pushing up. That's a strong candlestick right there. Nice retest. That's okay. Okay, retest right here. Just moved a couple hours ago. I do like this setup over here. It's got a few levels to break. Looking at this, I kind of like how this looks right here. Let's see these other charts are up to. EJ still chilling. GN looks like it might try to break something. Yeah, they look very similar. Yeah, so we're looking at a few charts right now.
At Fry's, shopping with pickup and delivery is the same as shopping in store. Same low prices, deals, and rewards on the same high quality items. It's one small click for groceries, one big win for busy families everywhere. Start your cart today at frysfood.com. Fry's, fresh for everyone. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
And right now, you can save when you shop your faves. Just buy 6 or more participating sale items and save
These
50 cents
ads,
each with
dude.
your card. Fry's.
Keep going. I feel like they added more ads to that video because before there wasn't that many ads. Yeah, we're just having a lot of retests go down right now. So is SL here set? lower than the previous higher low. No, it has nothing to do with the higher lows or the lower highs. Oh, yeah, I've been watching the most recent video. Make sure to check that out. I got some more videos dropping later on this week. I got the video dropping later on this week going over. This was mainly for the U.S. traders, but some U.S. brokers for both futures and forex. Because as we all know, a lot of stuff's been going down. So I got a video for that dropping later on this week, and I got a few other videos I got lined up as well. I like how you guys looking over. See if we can hold this over right here. Appreciate all the likes. Hit that like button when you hop in here. If you're not subbed, make sure to subscribe, because we don't just live stream, but we post weekly content from trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, all types of stuff. You guys know how YouTube works. Go ahead and click that profile and explore. And if y'all watched the Sunday chart analysis I dropped last night, a lot of things ended up going as projected. Right now, we're waiting for retracements and retests from a lot of those charts going as projected. Matter of fact. Well, let's take a look at that alert. I'm assuming it's probably a retest. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, price rejecting. So we're just gonna let that do its thing. EJ rejecting as well. Yeah, so we're just gonna move this over. Again, this is why we're waiting to see if we can hold this level. We're just gonna let price do its thing right there. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. MT4, MT5. and then a couple of platforms I'm gonna drop a video for later on. But the one I'm on right now is TradingView. I just use TradingView for my chart analysis and look for my setups. But as far as enter trade, I don't enter on here. We do got a U.S. bank holiday today that could affect the markets. It's Monday, so isn't Tuesday, like I always say, usually the slower days of the week. We don't have any news today. Regular Monday, and then we start seeing red starting tomorrow. So we're gonna see what happens today. We'll still be looking for some setups, but again, there's probably gonna be some opportunities. But again, price took off, shot up for literally like 3 going on 4 hours. So again, retracements have to happen at some point, and that's basically what's going down right now. Yeah, just retracing right now. Yeah, we got the huge level of traffic to the left. My stop loss is placed where I believe a price breaks that level, continues to go the opposite direction. That's where I was most likely wrong. So that's where I want to pull out. All right, my TPs are based on key price levels where we see time and time again price react a certain way to, right? That's what you see with all these lines. You'll see price have similar reactions over and over again to these levels, which is why we trade off these levels and why we patiently wait for these confirmations. see price chilling on this level as we speak. See how Ian's reacting to this level right here. So how GM started to react when it came close to this level right here. We also see how it reacted when it hit this level multiple times over and over again. The new 5 minute just popped up, but yeah, as we see, price is just chilling right now. So we're waiting for the next move and for when volume pushes back into the markets. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. We have not entered anything yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When you're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way, TikTok's _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Just posted something last night on there. Make sure to check that out. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. I'm going to respond to a few for a little bit once we get off this live as well. But yeah, right now we're just chilling, patiently waiting. EJ's still holding this low at support, which is a good sign, but again, did this nice move literally all Tokyo session last night. Now we're chilling right here at the next key level again. Now we're waiting to see if it's going to hold this level or reject and retrace. Kind of like what we saw GA do slightly, but now it's pushing back up. GN's been here since the London session. This was the London session candlestick. This was the 315. This was the 330. This is the 345. Literally been in the same place since the stream the past hour. But we see a push up. So we also see EN pushing up. So I want to see if EJ is going to do something as well. We're just going to break these levels. We got about 5 minutes to the next hour. Next 15 pops up. We're going to see what that looks like. Shout out everybody in the live. Shout out everybody that's been here since the beginning. Shout out everybody that's been here since y'all joined. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Yeah, looks like it's slowly trying to push up. Everything else kind of chilling right now. About to see how this candlestick closes. All right, new 15 just started. Let's see what we're looking at. Ian looks like slowly trying to push. GN, on the other hand, is taking a nap. So is GA. Let's see what the other Euro pairs are looking like. Yeah, we just see consolidation going on. It's just in between zones. Still a huge choppiness on GU. EJ just price is just hugging these levels. Even with the indices, we can't do too much about that. Actually, I do need the US30 instead of SPX. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens today and tomorrow. Ian looks like it's still trying to push though. All right, chart. There we go. I was like, I know I'm not tripping. I was like, where my lines at? I knew I wasn't tripping. What kind of candle do you wait engulfing or just in bullish candles? Nothing in this case. I don't really title candlesticks. I just call them candlesticks. So, like I said, like if you watch the Sunday chart analysis, or if I don't know when you jumped in or if you're listening to it live, what I look for is again, I want to enter buys off support, sells off resistance. So, what's going to show me that price is holding the level as a support or resistance? That is what you need to know. So then you know what to look for, right? So I dropped the link. Like I said, I don't know if you just joined or not. I've been dropping links throughout this entire live stream. Again, I'm not just doing that as to do it. Literally, all the content on my channel is to help you all out. Whatever the title states, that's what the video is breaking down. I have tons of videos going over support resistance. I got a bunch of trade breakdowns where I break down step by step, start to finish, why I took the setup, and all that good stuff. So I highly recommend, if you're trying to learn or take trading seriously, to check out the content. But I enter buys off support, sells off resistance. It doesn't really have to do with a specific candlestick. Now, of course, the candlesticks matter, but again, I'm not looking for a specific candlestick like they got all these different names for candlesticks. It's not a specific candlestick that I'm looking for or a specific candlestick that I'll only enter on. Good question. Yeah, so EJ is still just chilling. Yeah, so we're still gonna be on the chart. We're still gonna be on the charts. And we're just waiting for volume on next levels to get broken. As we see since we're live, a lot of these charts have been in place the past hour or so. They did a quick move before a London session, so we always wait during Tokyo session, or from when I dropped that Sunday chart analysis. There was a few setups you could have taken. As far as right now, again, we just have some retracements or just price just kind of taking a nap in place right now. So not too much we can do about that. All right, y'all see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. If y'all have not already, make sure you hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. Let's get that out the way. If you scroll to January, hold on. Ooh, if y'all scroll to January, I believe 4th, you'll see how we did last quarter. All right, last quarter, this is October, November, December combined. October went 32 wins, only 5 losses, caught 157,608 pips. November, 22 wins, only 1 loss, caught 58,068 pips. Then last month, December, took 22 wins, 1 loss again, caught 24,481 pips. In the quarter, 76-7, giving us a 96% win rate. Ending last quarter with a total of 240,157 pips caught, 207,561 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Every trade posted as the date, time the trade was entered, personal entry, SL, TPs, time POV to enter the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. Wins, losses, everything's posted in here. At the beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis, all that good stuff. Make sure to explore the channel. Check that out, both the Telegram and the YouTube. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Looks like EJ might try to do something for us. Looks like EJ might try to do something for us. DJ trying to do something as well. I respond daily to all messages. Members, you already know you got any questions. I saw there was some messages in the group chat. I'm gonna check the group chat out in a little bit. But members, you already know you can hit me up either in DM or the group chat. And in a few hours, I'm gonna drop the New York price watch list for y'all. Yeah, but we're gonna see what this looks like right here. Yeah, we're gonna see how this candlestick closes right here. These look like they're slowly trying to wake up. Again, we do have an American holiday today. All right, cool. I don't see any messages. It'd be weird. I don't know if y'all be doing it after I say I'm ending the live, but it's like every time I end the live, I get like 1 or 2 comments like 2 minutes later. But yeah, we're gonna be back at it same time tomorrow. London session 3 a.m. EST. Looks like the charts are starting to wake up a little bit, so we're gonna see if we can look for some more positions. Again, watching EJ, watching GJ for some possible setups. Watching the AED pairs as well. They just got a little bit of work to do. EJ and GJ are kind of doing the same thing right now. So it's basically just any money about which one we want to go for. Obviously, I like GJ more than EJ, but they both have good possible setups right now. They're doing nice retests. So I'm going to be watching both of these. And, you know, if they still can hold these as supports, don't be surprised if, you know, we enter one of them. Don't be surprised if we enter one of them. Everything else trying to consolidate right now, though. All right, y'all, we out. Hope it lets me in because StreamYard be bugging.